There's a very mashhur hadith, I'm sure you all have heard of it before. Sayyidina Hanzala radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he would keep an eye on his internal state. And once he was with his family and he felt really disturbed with his inner state. So he came out and he said that, Hanzala has become a munafiq, Hanzala has become a munafiq. So Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu met him. He said, what happened, Hanzala? Why are you saying this? He said, when I am with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my state is entirely different. But when I am with my family, I don't feel the same state. I find things lacking. I don't feel the same attentiveness to Allah, and I don't feel the same closeness to Allah. So Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said that, what, I actually feel the same. I feel my state to be the same. So let's go to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and ask him. So they both of them went to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and they said, Ya Rasulullah, we find that there is a difference in our state when we are with you and when we are with our families, and we don't like it. We want our states to stay the same as they are when we are with you. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled and he said, Sa'atan wa sa'a, that times are different. Things vary from time to time. So he said that if you are to stay in the same state as you are with me all the times, then the angels would stop you when you are passing on the streets and they will want to shake hands with you. Things change. But the point is that he was mindful of how his heart was.